Dear golden elderly, let me ask you something today. When was the last time you looked around your home and thought, "Oh dear, this is too much for me to handle"? Maybe the dust on the shelves has been sitting there a while. Maybe the laundry basket looks like a mountain. Or perhaps it just feels like your home is bigger than your energy. I know that feeling very well. Many of us seniors do. But here's the truth. You don't have to spend every ounce of your strength trying to make your home spotless in a single day. Over the years, many seniors have discovered clever little tricks to clean their entire homes. Not in one day, but in just 48 hours. Calm, steady, and without leaving your body aching for a week. Today I'll share 7 of those tricks with you. Simple, practical, and tested by time. By the end, you'll see that keeping your home fresh is not about working harder, it's about working wiser. So let's begin. The first trick is one of my favorites, the 15-minute rule. You see, cleaning doesn't have to mean hours of bending, scrubbing, and sweating. All you need is short, focused effort. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Work on just one area, maybe the sink, maybe the living room floor. When the timer stops, you stop. Why does this work so well? Because our bodies have limits. If we push too long, we end up sore and tired. But 15 minutes, that's enough to make progress without strain. Do 3 or 4 of these sessions in a day, and you'll be surprised how much is done by bedtime. It's like eating a meal slowly. You get full before you even realize it. Here's the second trick. Divide and conquer. Instead of telling yourself, "I must clean the whole house today," break it into zones. Zone 1, the living room. Zone 2, the kitchen. Zone 3, the bedrooms. Zone 4, the bathrooms. On day 1, do 2 zones. On day 2, finish the others. By the end of 48 hours, your home feels brand new, without you ever overdoing it. This method keeps your energy steady and your spirit calm. Because let's face it, even the strongest of us can't sweep the world in one go. Trick 3, the basket trick. Now this one is genius in its simplicity. The basket trick. Take any basket or even a bucket. Walk through your house and collect items that don't belong where they are. Magazines on the chair, socks on the floor, cups on the table. Put them all in the basket. When you're done, sit in one place and return each item to where it belongs. This saves your legs, your back, and your energy. You're not walking 10 times from the living room to the bedroom. You're moving smart, not hard. Seniors who use this trick say it makes tidying feel almost effortless. Trick 4. Work smarter with tools. The 4th trick is all about using the right tools. When we were younger, maybe we didn't mind kneeling to scrub floors. But today, our knees and backs can't do such again. So, use what makes it easier for you. Use long-handled dusters for high shelves. Use lightweight cordless vacuums instead of heavy ones. Make use of microfiber cloths in each room, so you can wipe a surface in seconds when you pass by. Think of it like this. If a tool saves you even 5 minutes, and you use it daily, that's hours of saved effort every month. Wisdom teaches us that you don't fight with the work, but instead you equip yourself. So the work helps you. Trick 5. Do the big stuff first. Here's something you'll love. Always start with the big things. Why? Because they make the biggest difference in how clean your home looks. For example, make your bed. Instantly the room looks tidy. Clear the dining table. The whole area will feel neat. Take out the trash. Your apartment will smell fresh. Trick 6. Listen to your choice of music while cleaning. Cleaning doesn't have to be dull. Seniors who enjoy cleaning often add music. Play your favorite songs, the ones that bring back good memories. Maybe it's the tune you dance to with your partner, or the hymn that comforts your heart. Music keeps you moving, keeps you joyful, and even makes the minutes fly by. Some seniors even count it as gentle exercise while doing home chores. Listening to your favorite music while doing your choice will absolutely not make you to feel the stress if doing the chores. With time, you will notice you have done all your chores. Trick 7. Rest and reward yourself after the chores. The final trick is simple. Always reward yourself. After finishing your cleaning sessions for the day, treat yourself. Sit with a nice cup of tea. Call a loved one. Watch your favorite program. When you know there's a reward waiting, the work feels lighter, and your home doesn't just get cleaner, you enjoy the process more. So there you have it, 7 tricks seniors use to clean their entire homes in just 48 hours. My golden seniors, the truth is, a clean home is more than just shiny floors and dust-free shelves. It's about peace of mind. It's about waking up in a space that feels calm and going to bed with gratitude. Remember, my friends, wisdom is not rushing to finish everything at once. Wisdom is pacing yourself, doing it little by little with joy and gladness in your heart, so your home and your health both stay well. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your cleaning trick? Have you discovered your own shortcut over the years? Share it in the comments so we can all learn together. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps more seniors find this wisdom. And if you haven't subscribed yet, join our family here at Golden Elderly Wisdom. Until next time, my dear friends, may your homes be tidy, your hearts be light, and your days full of peace. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness, and you can still keep your home clean with wisdom.